Hey guys, on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make these heart-shaped cinnamon sugar biscuits. To start our recipe off, I'm going to combine 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and just mix these together. Now we're going to add 6 tablespoons of cold butter in cubes. You can use salted or unsalted. Now with your fingers, you're going to smash the butter into the flour. If you have a pastry cutter, you can use that instead. I just like using my hands, and you want to make sure that all the butter is flat like a pancake. Now just stir that together to make sure there's no more lumps of butter. Now we're going to add 1 cup of cold milk. You can also use buttermilk if you'd like. We're going to stir that together until it makes a shaggy mess. Now sprinkle your work surface with flour and then just dump all the biscuit dough onto the counter. Now we're going to roughly shape our dough into a rectangle. Now to create our layers, we are going to do what they call a letter fold. So imagine your dough is in thirds. You take one side and bring it to the middle, and then do the same for the opposite side. Now gently press it down, and then we're going to do that again from top to bottom. So going down, and then bringing the other layer up. Now we're going to rotate our dough, and then we're going to press it again. You can use a rolling pin if you'd like. I just find it just as easy to use my hands. And then we're going to do another letter fold, going left and right, and then we're going to do it again up and down. So this will be 4 letter folds. And then we're going to smush it just a little bit, rotate, and now we're going to get our rolling pin out. Now you want to roll this to about a 1/2 inch thickness. Now using your favorite cutter, go ahead and start cutting out your shapes. Here I'm using a heart, but you could do a circle or square, whatever you'd like. Now instead of balling up my dough, I'm just kind of squishing it together. If you do ball it up, then a lot of times the dough will end up being really dense, and that's not what we want. We want it nice and fluffy, so just kind of smush it together the best you can. They're not going to be very pretty, but that's okay. Now place your biscuits on a baking tray lined with parchment. And in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and make our cinnamon sugar topping. And all that is there's really no recipe. It's just some granulated sugar and some cinnamon. I'm just stirring that together. Now to get your cinnamon topping to stick to your biscuits, just apply some melted butter on top and then sprinkle. Now we're going to bake these at 450 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Every oven is different, so you might have to adjust your time. Now to make the glaze, I combined some powdered sugar, a little heavy cream, and some strawberry jam. These turned out so good. Look at all those layers. The bottom is nice and brown and buttery, and the top has formed a nice sugar crispy crust. Cinnamon sugar biscuits are done. Now obviously these little ugly ones, those are your snack. These are the ones you want to, put those on top of your plate. But aren't these cute? I'm gonna try this one right here. Now one thing you could do to just put this over the edge is have a little bowl of icing that they can either dip in or if you wanted to like drizzle some icing on top, or just leave it like this. It's not super sweet, but it has a really nice flavor. So I hope you try this. Hey guys, our biscuits are done. They turned out so cute. I love the addition of the cinnamon sugar on top. You can totally omit that if you don't want to do that. This is just my normal biscuit recipe. I just thought, you know what, this might be a fun little twist for Valentine's Day. We made some strawberry icing just for on the side. You could dip it, and all that was powdered sugar, some heavy cream, and then I added a little bit of strawberry jam. If you don't have heavy cream, you can use milk or water. I would definitely add some vanilla if you don't add any jam. And you could add any jam that you want. So, you know, raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, any of that would be really, really good with these biscuits. But yeah, anyway, I hope you try it. I hope you like it. I will leave a printable recipe down in the description. So all you gotta do is click it and print it and make it your own. And I will see y'all next week on the next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Love you guys.